Hi, so it's your girl Didi, and I just did a live video. I'm not gonna post this up until probably later on in the month, but I was just thinking, I'm a dietitian nutritionist, not just a dietitian or a nutritionist. I have all my qualifications. I have my degree, I have my diploma, and my master's in nutrition. And I have years of experience with persons who have chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, on weight management, because weight is definitely one of the biggest factors. What you're made of, your body composition, if you have a lot of fat in your body, it definitely impacts your organ health. It's important for us to focus on what we eat. And I just did a simple, quick, and easy from my recipe booklet, which you can get on Amazon, but it just got me thinking that, you know what, a lot of you guys not really understanding what I do, and I honestly don't do restrictive diets. That's the first thing. I don't do pills, I don't do supplements, and I work with you and your individual needs to help you achieve your health goal at the end of the day. And that's true lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes are what I'm about. It's all about exercising, healthy cooking, grocery shopping tour, nutrition, counseling sessions. I mix everything together in a cute little package called Shape Me Didi, and I do virtual sessions as well as one-on-one individual sessions in person. Trying all these stupid fad diets, all these restrictive diets. Aren't you just tired of it? Fad diets always leave you with headaches, leave you with depression, leave you feeling with anxiety, you name it. You're gonna be hungry, you're not gonna be satisfied with anything that you eat, your cravings are gonna be insane. So I don't do them because they don't work, and it's not gonna help you in any way. Anything that hurts your body, I do not recommend with my services. It's all about lifestyle changes, and that's why I know that my programs work. And I do have a lot of persons who started the program and went through it and have success stories through Shape Me Didi, through Beat the Sweet with Didi. That's my diabetic program. That's the educate and empower newly diagnosed persons, as well as the nutrition counseling package for persons with chronic diseases. I'll probably try to work with you to prepare it in a healthier way, but I'm not gonna tell you can't have it. I don't want you to feel like you are being restricted in any way, because it's gonna go out of control. It's just not me, it's not my style. So if you're interested in making lifestyle changes, let me help you accomplish your health goal. Thank you for listening. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.